Hello everyone, this is just an ad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this RENPHO Eyeris one with the remote control. So reason number 1 is it's got this handy little remote control. The second one is it actually feels really good with the heat and the air pressure and the soothing music. It actually feels really good. And the next one is I can connect my phone to it and play my own music through it. It will connect via Bluetooth. It's got some speakers. It's got some built-in sound, but I can play my own music if I connect it to my phone. You do have to charge it with USB-C. It does come with a USB-C cable, but you got to plug this into a wall outlet. Now that cable is a little hidden. It's in the corner of the box. It's a little hard to see. We've got a manual. There's a battery for the remote. And then it comes with this nice bag. So we're going to keep it in the bag, keep it nice and safe. All right, let's go ahead and add the remote. Again, the spring, you're going to put the flat side towards it. You will need to plug this into a wall outlet. You will need to charge it up first. And so take the cable, make sure it's nice and open. You're going to plug it in right here. There's a light that's going to come on to let you know that it's charging. Sorry about that. The light is over here. There's the light to let you know that it's charging. That will turn green when it's fully charged. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to adjust this. It's got an elastic strap, easy to adjust. This is really soft. You got to take your glasses off. You're going to long press this. That's what turns it on.
Your eyes, relax and enjoy. Air pressure plus heat.
So it's going to tell you what mode it's in, air pressure plus heat. I can turn the volume up or down with the volume, and I can adjust the air pressure with the air pressure button.
Maximum volume.
There's the volume I got on the remote. Now it does heat up right away. I can feel this getting hot. And there's like little massagers in here. It feels like fingers, but it's like airbags that are inflating to kind of massage, and the heat heats up right away. And then you can cycle through the different modes.
Heat only. Vibration only.
And I can do the same thing. I don't have to have the remote. Once it's on, if I just simply quickly tap the power button, I can cycle through the remote, the different modes. Now that's the Bluetooth button. I can turn the Bluetooth on or off. I can go to so if I've got my phone connected, I can tell it to go to the next track. But I can also change the music that's built in. Now it does have a built-in timer that is going to shut off after 15 minutes. Now when you want to turn it off, just long press the button again.
Goodbye.
Okay, I've got it adjusted. Let's turn it on. Again, you're going to hold that to turn it on, or I can use the remote.
Air pressure plus heat.
Okay, so there's like a little air pump that's inflating. I can hear the music. It's kind of being directed towards my ears. And it does start heating up right away. It's completely black on the inside. It feels really, really good. I could sit back and I could do this for 15 minutes. And again, I can change the air pressure. If the pumps that are pumping up are too much, you can soften it up a little bit. Wow, that thing is awesome. Then I can adjust the air pressure.
Strong pressure.
Strong.
No pressure.
No pressure.
Soft pressure.
Soft.
Strong pressure.
So you got soft and strong or none.
No pressure.
Yeah, pretty neat.
Air pressure plus heat plus vibration.
Yeah, and there is one where it does a little bit of vibration once in a while. Again, you can see the airbags pumping up. It's just extremely soft, but actually very soothing. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.